What is budgeting? Budgeting isn't just about limiting your spending, it's also about planning for your future. By budgeting, you can set aside money for savings and other goals like buying your needs, going on vacation, or building an emergency funds. It's give us a way to know what is the purpose of money in our daily needs and to limit ourselves for putting too much in just a specific item for our wants. Here are some of the most common budgeting difficulties faced by the young people and parents.
Mag-jeep pa tayo?
O Egypt.
Doon tayo sa naka-promo.
O dun tayo sa paborito natin kahit hindi naka-promo.
Divisibility rule can help us in budgeting. But what is divisibility rule? Divisibility rule are a set of general rules that are often used to determine whether or not a number is absolutely divisible by another number. The rules of divisibility can be used in everyday life. Using the divisibility rule equation, you want to ensure that each expense category receives an equal share of the budget. Divisibility rule may not be directly linked to budgeting. Their application can streamline calculation and decision-making process, ultimately helping you manage your finances more efficiently.